How to create Printify listing on Etsy. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can create Printify listing on Etsy in the easiest way. So to do this, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have an Etsy and Printify store. And once we're done with that, you can or you cannot, whatever depends on, choose to integrate your Printify with Etsy because obviously there is an integration. If we click on connect over here, we can connect it to our Etsy account. Now, if you want to do that, you can, but it's not compulsory. But I would still recommend that you should, because obviously, if you're creating listings, why not just straight away go ahead and, create an order directly on it. So we're going to go to create an order. You're going to create a manual, and then you're going to go to browse catalog, and you're going to go ahead and create any t-shirt. Now, if you want to create different product listings, let's say I'm going to go over here. And once you're over here, we're going to wait for the products to load in. So as you can see, it's a basic shirt. You can go ahead and start designing. Make sure to choose the correct providers. And once you do all of this, make sure to add some designs onto it. Make sure to add some variant of colors onto it. And once you do that, just go ahead and add a graphic that you think will, go well with your design. Let's say I'm gonna be adding this. We're gonna go and save product. And once you go and save product, as you can see, it's gonna bring you here where it's gonna give you the output of how the product is supposed to look. So once you have all of this good to go, you're simply gonna go ahead and click on publish, and that will publish your product, and that creates a listing for your Etsy. So as you can see, it's publishing, and once it's published, it's going to be published onto your Etsy store, and that is how you can create listings on Printify through Etsy or on Etsy through Printify. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.